What's up folks, welcome to Slake Academy. I'm Pradeep. Today we are going to see pair of linear equation in two variables in which we are doing exercise 1, question 2. In question 2 there are about 9 questions. We are doing question F. Okay, so we have solved much of the questions, even we have seen the introduction of the chapter. So if you go back and see those videos, then you'll understand this more clearly. Okay, so I'll be giving that links in the description also. You can check out and you can go through that. So let's see question F. So first equation is x plus y equal to 5. Second equation is 2x plus 2y equal to 10. So if I bring this 5 to this side, so I'll be getting x plus 5 minus 5 equal to 0. So now this equation I'll equate with the general equation, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. See, this x is not having any quotient. So if there is no quotient, then we'll be taking 1 as a quotient. When y is not having any quotient, then it means that there is 1 as a value here also. So now I'll equate this a, so I'll be getting a1 equal to 1, and next one b1, this is b1 is equal to again 1, and the c is giving what? c1 equal to minus 5. So even this equation I can bring 10 to this side, so I'm getting minus 10. So I'm just bringing 10 to the other side. So now here what I can do here, see, 2 is the common, 2 is the multiple of all these numbers, so I can take 2 common. So this is x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. So when I multiply 2 into x, again I'll get 2x. When I multiply 2 into y, again I'll get 2y. If I multiply 2 5s, again I'll be getting 10. So if I send this 2 to other side, that is 0 by 2 is nothing but we'll be getting x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. So now this equation I'll equate with the general equation, so I'll be getting ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, so the quotient of x here is 1, even the quotient of y is also 1. So now after comparing the general equation, I'll be getting a value as 1 and b value is also 1, but c value again we're getting minus 5. Got it? So I just compared this equation here, a equal to 1 we got, b equal to 1 we got, and c equal to we got minus 5. But this is a2, b2 and c2. So let's write our form, that is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, which is equal to c1 by c2. Okay, so let's submit in our format. So what do we get here? So a1 is 1, a2 is also 1, and b1 is 1, b2 is also 1, and c1 is minus 5, so c2 is also minus 5. See, everything is same to one another. If everything is same, what will write this sort of equations as? They are dependent and also consistent. Okay, and also we'll say them as coincident lines. Right? So how does a coincident line look like? If this is one line, the second line will be on the first line. Suppose the first line, what is the equation of the first equation is x plus y equal to 5 is the first equation, and second equation is 2x plus 2y equal to 10. Okay, so this is all about the first question. We already recognize that the equation is what? Coincident lines. So let's go forward and let's do graph also. Okay, for doing graph we'll be taking the same equation, that is, this is equation 1 and equation 2, right? Same equations we are going to take and we'll be doing graph. So x plus y equal to 5 is the first one, and 2x plus 2y equal to 10 is the second one. So let's forward and do the graph. For that, let's find out quadrants. So let's solve that. So our equation is x plus y equal to 5. So what I do is that I'll keep y one side and all other variables to other side. So I'll keep y equal to 5 minus x. Just I send this x to other side, that became minus. So now I'll be taking x equal to 0. So now if I just take x equal to 0, the above equation will become, so y equal to 5 minus, in the place of x I'm just submitting 0. So y we are getting as 5. So what do I get? X comma y, we will be getting it as 0 comma 5. Alright, so this is the first form. Again we'll take the same equation, y equal to 5 minus x. Now I'll be taking x value as 1. So I'll just take any progressed value. See, I took x 0, then I am taking 1, then I'll take 2, then if you want to do more, you can take 3, 4, like that. So now I'll be taking the equation y equal to 5. In the place of x, I'll be just submitting 1. So I'll get y is equal to 5 minus 1, which is 4. So what is the quadrant I got? X comma y is nothing but I got 1 comma 4. So let's take one more and solve this. So I got y is equal to 5 minus x, so that x equal to, I'm taking 2. So now I'll be getting y equal to 5 minus, so here I'm submitting 2. So I'll be getting y equal to 5 minus 2, nothing but 5 minus 2 is 3. So I got x comma y value as 2 comma 3. Alright, so these are the quadrants. Let's make the quadrants here. See, x axis, y axis, so we'll be getting x comma y. So x is suppose 0, for that we are getting y as 5. So for this we'll be getting 0 comma 5. Alright, so let's take x equal to 1. So for that we got y equal to 4, so the quadrant is 1 comma 4. Let's take x equal to 2 and y will be getting 3, so we'll get this as 2 comma 3. Alright, so these are the 3 points which we got to draw now. Okay, so this is all about the first equation. Okay, so let's see the second equation also. So this is the first equation is x plus y equal to 5. This is the equation we did. So now let's take the second equation, 2x plus 2y equal to 10. Alright, so now again the same way, I'll just take y to one side and I'll send x to other side. So 2y 10 minus 2x, it will become, as I'm just sending 2x to this side, so that is becoming minus. So I can send y equal to 10 minus 2x. If I send 2 to other side, that is dividing the value. So let's see how we'll get the value. So I will follow the same method again. So I'll be taking x equal to 0 here. Okay, so I'll be getting y equal to 10 minus 2 into, in the place of x I'm submitting 0. So this will be getting as 10 minus 0 by 2, which is 10 by 2, so which is, will be getting value as 5. So x comma y is nothing but how much? That is 0 comma 5. Okay, so let's see the next one. Now I'm taking x equal to 1, so I can take the same equation, y equal to 10 minus 2 into, so I'm taking the same equation. In the place of x I can submit now 1. So I'll be getting this as y equal to 10 minus 2 by 2, which is nothing but y equal to 10 minus 2 is 8, 8 by 2. So y is equal to 4. So I'll be getting x comma y is equal to, I can get 1 comma 4. Okay, so let's make one more, that is x equal to 2. So I can write y equal to 10 minus 2 into 2. So in this equation, in the place of x I'm just submitting 2 as the value. So that I'll be getting y is equal to 10 minus 2 to the 4 by 2, which I'll get 10 minus 4 is 6, 6 by 2 is nothing but 3. So I can get x comma y as 2 comma 3. Alright, so these are the quadrants. So let's make the table. So we're taking x axis, we are taking y axis, so we are taking x comma y axis. Alright, so what is x? We took x as 0, so we got y as 5, so that is 0 comma 5. So let's take we took x equal to 1, then we got value as 4, so we got 1 comma 4. Same we have done for the second one, that is 2, and we got 3, that is 2 comma 3. So what is the equation for this? The second equation, that also we'll write. First we'll make the table. So our table is ready. Alright, so which equation is this? That is 2x plus 2y equal to 10 is the second equation. So let's go forward and let's try drawing the graph. Okay, so let's do the graph. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis and this is minus x-axis and this is minus y-axis. So let's write the scale first. So scale is very important. So in x-axis we are taking 1 centimeter as 1 unit, so I can take 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. So same thing we are doing for y-axis also, 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Okay, so let's submit the first equation values. We got x equal to 0, y equal to 5. So x equal to 0 is the first thing here. First, before that, we'll write the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 is enough. So this is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 here 1 2. So we can take 1 2 3 4. So I'm taking till 5. Okay, so this we got 0 comma 5. So in y-axis it was 5 here. So that is 0 comma 5 we got. Next is 1 comma 4. So where is 1? 1 in x-axis is here. In y-axis here 4 is here. So 1 comma 4. So next is 2 comma 3. 2 is here and 3 is here. So this is the point which is 2 comma 3. So let's make the graph. So to draw the graph, I can take the equation. So I'll take it again for better graph. Right, so this is the graph for the first equation. So this is the line which we got for the first equation. Let's do for the second equation also. So 0 comma 5 is again we are getting here as a point, and let's try for the second point. So second point is 1 comma 4. Again we are getting at the same point, and 2 comma 3 we are getting again at the same point. So you would observe this table and this table is exactly looking the same. So the values is exactly the same as the first equation values. So that is nothing but one line is making on the other one. So we can make the first line and the second line is one and the other. So I'm just making one line on the other. See, one line is passing through the other line. Okay, so this sort of lines were coincident lines. So this is very clear, I hope. So you might have understood all different lines, parallel lines, coincident and intersecting lines. So just keep going, just solve all these questions so you'll get much of clarity. Keep going, stay tuned.